Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Tonight, we've got another review for you guys. It's a rather new company. I've already done a review for them probably a few weeks ago. They didn't ask me to do this review. I chose to do this simply because, if you get good products, why not review them and get them out to the world? So this is for you guys, and this is for Mike and Tia, the owners of rtha. I know I butchered that, and I apologize. Stay tuned after the intro, guys. We'll be right back. What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back. I hope you're enjoying that intro. I know I've been saying I want to change it. I haven't changed it yet. Eventually I will. Thanks for all the support, guys. I really appreciate it over here on YouTube, on Instagram. You guys have been more than welcoming, accepting. I continue to be humbled from you guys, and I just really appreciate it. And I like to get that out before I start any of my videos. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you're still here after the video and you like it, make sure you hit that thumbs up. This company, like I said, is fresh. They're not that old at all. They're not even 6 months old. The name of the company is rtha. The owner's name is Mike and Tia. Mike being a veteran, a former Marine. I couldn't spit that out. The last products I did, they worked great in beard. The feel was there. The longevity was just like any other, product. These products do what they're supposed to do. So without further ado, they sent me a little note, and the note reads, "Thank you, Patrick. We greatly appreciate you. We appreciate how you have been so welcoming and accepting. We, Salante Kara, meaning thank you, One-Eyed Mike and Tia." He's also known as One-Eyed Mike. Really cool dude. His wife is awesome. They're both great people. They make good products. I've talked to him quite a few times, and they're the type of people they want to get their product perfect. They want the public to enjoy it. They want you guys to enjoy it, and they'll go to great lengths to get that to happen. So without further ado, let's jump into this review. This scent is called Forbidden Forest. I can't remember the scent profile, but I know there's pine in it, and if you guys have been following me, you know I do not like pine at all. Depending on how it's mixed, though, I can tolerate it. Sometimes on a special occasion, I kind of like the pine, and I'm not just saying this because to get a good word out for them. This is my personal experience with this product. I do not like pine. Do not like it. I don't like pine. I don't like the smell of pine, except for when it's mixed properly. The exception is when it's mixed properly, you don't get a pine headache, in other words. And what they have in this product, it smells good. It really does smell good. The ingredients, let's see, are sweet almond oil, apricot kernel, black Jamaican castor oil, sunflower seed oil, macadamia nut oil, vitamin E, and essential oil. Like I said, it's Forbidden Forest, and it's a piney, earthy type scent. There's something else in there, and I can't pick it out. But on the bottle open, of course, the pine's going to be dominant because it's pine. But whatever else is in this bottle, scent-wise, it breaks it up enough to where it doesn't give me a headache. And you put it in beard, it kind of mellows down a lot. The thickness of their oils, it's a crystal clear oil. It's a medium weight, and like I said, on the bottle, the pine is definitely dominant, but you get that earthy on the back side of it. In beard, again, it smells like pine, but as you warm it up in beard and it separates and it gets all nice and snuggly against your face, against your skin, and absorbs in your beard, you get you get a nice earthy, piney type scent. And it's, as much as I don't like pine, I like this scent. And I told Mike that. I said, there's been a lot of scents that's come through here that I didn't like, but if they're mixed right, I like the smell of them. So pine, I can't say I hate. I just, when it's mixed wrong or there's too much of it, it just stinks to me and it gives me a really bad headache. So again, Forbidden Forest. This is a piney, earthy type scent, and I think they did a really excellent job on this. The butter, again, this butter is buttery smooth. The ingredients in this, let's see, is shea butter, mango butter, apricot oil, vitamin E, and essential oil blend. There is no beeswax in this butter. So you guys are familiar with, beeswax in butters. They tend to be a little bit, thicker, of course, obviously. But this is very, very smooth. As you can see, I can just barely push down on that. And the more I move my finger around, the warmer it gets and the smoother it gets. And it's just, it's a butter, barely putting any pressure, and it just breaks down real nice. Consistency, it barely has a tack to it, but you get it in beard. And I thought I would never seriously say that with any type of pine products, but this is actually enjoyable. You get that nice, I keep wanting to say knife. You get that nice, earthy, piney scent. And for someone that doesn't like pine, that's it's really good. It's that earthy scent to it. It's just a nice, really earthy, I can't think of the damn word. What's the word? It's a relaxing type scent. The pine's dominant, yes, but whatever else is in there, it comes out when you warm it up in beard, and it just feels great in beard. And it's the smell, the scent, it lasts a long time as well. So this butter is definitely smooth. It feels great in beard. It absorbs in my beard really nice. Just overall, quality of it is awesome as well. Guys, thanks for sticking around if you've made it this far. Mike and Tia, thank you guys. Keep making these good products. They're awesome. They really do work great in beard. Thank you for sending them out to me. I know you guys didn't ask me to review this, but I did anyway. And it's just, I'm happy to do this for any company that sends product, ask me to do it, or whether I reach out, vice versa, whatever. I just overall love doing this for you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. That's all I can ask for. Everything will be in the links below. So I hope you guys grab some of this stuff up. I don't quite remember the price of it. I'll put it right here. Because as I'm editing, obviously I'm going to find out, so it's easier for you guys to know. Guys, thanks a lot. I appreciate all your help, all your support. Until the next review, peace.